Octember fail number 10, dead clock battery. Don't know if you can see from this angle, but the second hand just ain't going. And there's a pendulum in here, and that's not going either. That actually died maybe a month ago. I knew about that, but the clock was still working, so I figured I'd leave it because this is not easy to get off the wall. This clock I had bought at a place called National Wholesale Liquidators many years ago, and we got it for the apartment, and it was there. It says Harco on it and regulator down here, which regulates nothing. It's just a perpetual motion type thing. We got to take it off the wall. And the way it's mounted so it stays kind of flush has to come out with the hook still on it. If you can see there. Let's see if I can move it closer. Got to leave that there and then get it back in and the nail back in the hole when it's time. So let's change the batteries now. Reason 973.28 why you need a monitor riser. Very nice and easy. There's all kinds of cat furs and dust and beard hairs and shit that build up on here and that and this and that. That's all done. Now, already, fun. Just got to kind of move that. Let me see if you can see what I'm seeing. Sorta. Let's see if I could zoom in a little. Got to tip you down. There's a lion who's going to try to nog. See, these batteries come right out. Put them right there for now. Oh, the whole clock just moved. That's great. That's Chinese right there. All right. Put a battery in. Yeah, I'm hearing good clunk clunk sounds, so should be doing its thing. The pendulum we'll worry about later. Has to stay attached, which hopefully it will. Seems like it. We have to set the time. Let me reconfigure. We're definitely clocking 1:41 p.m., but I'm actually going to set it for 12:41 p.m. because we are soon to be changing the clocks for daylight savings time. Oopsie. Somewhere about there should be good. It's not quite right, but close enough. We're going to be rolling the clocks back in 2 weeks, maybe. And I don't want to take this off the wall again if I don't have to. So it'll just have to be wrong for a couple weeks. Let's put it back up. Yep, the pendulum just fell off. Ha! Great. I gotta fish it out and try to reattach. Alright, now let's see if I can get this back in the hole at just the right angle. Oh shit. The clip moved, so now it fell in the clock. This is why I said it's a huge pain in the dick. Take 67. Oh man. You might be saying, well, why don't you just mount the picture hanger first? Okay. Usually that never worked, but we'll try it. There, okay. Now maybe? Barely? Oh, I think he got it. Oh, dick. It's up. Love that kind. It's not straight. Now it's kind of straight. I'll have to sort of step back. Oh, very close. That should do. So yeah, now we have the clock set, it's ticking, and the pendulum is moving. That was luck, because usually I have to like take the clock and knock it back and forth and have the pendulum hit the sides and that. But the clock is kind of nice. It's a Quasarts, as you see right there, and it's kind of nice in the sense where at a quick glance, oh look at that, it's gold and it has a pendulum. It's kind of nice. Look, that's really cheap plastic. Yeah, so that's kind of why we got it. It certainly fit the apartment real well, and for here it just kind of works. So that wasn't too big of a deal. It was kind of a pain in the dick getting it on and off the wall, like I said, as usual, but it's done. So that's Octember 2021 fail number 10 complete and resolved. As far as number 9 with the car, haven't heard shit yet. I will definitely be updating you as soon as I have some more information. So that's going to do it for now. If you like this video, make sure you click like. If you didn't, hit dislike twice. Smash the subscribe button while you're at it. Thanks so much for watching, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.